Okay, my friends, you're ready to take your word per minute and accuracy test. The first thing you've done is you've opened up your form recorder sheet, and if you want, you can go ahead and fill in the information on your recorder sheet to get it started. All right, so first name, last name, you can click today's date and it will automatically put that date into the bar. You're going to select your teacher and you're going to get ready to fill in this information in just a moment. So you've also opened Speed Typing Online, and this is where you'll be taking the assessment. You're going to scroll down here to this little blue section and you're going to set your test timer at 2 minutes. All right, scroll back down and you are going to select all texts and select Fables Easy to Type. You've made that selection now, and you're going to click Random and select a story. You need to choose a story that you are familiar with. All right, so I am going to test The Ugly Duckling, and I like to switch up my text. That means I'm going to type one row that pans left, and I just need to keep track of the letters and characters as they go by. All right, so I'm going to begin my test. And keep in mind that when you strike a key correctly, it will light up in green. And when you strike a letter or character incorrectly, it will light up in red. You can use backspace. You can go back and fix those mistakes. Now, I recommend going back to fixing those because you will notice that it does affect your accuracy negatively if you do not. There you go. So my accuracy is climbing back up. So I'm going to continue with this test and I'll see you back in just one moment. Okay, so my test is complete and my time is up. I'm going to personalize this test by clicking in the white text box and typing my first name. I will then click Personalize Results, and I notice that my name is now connected to my test results. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll right down here and link to results. I see my certificate and my speed and accuracy scores. I am going to open up my form and go and finish answering my text selection, my word per minute score, and my accuracy score. So I'm going to type in The Ugly Duckling. And my word per minute score was, I'm going to go back and check. I've got 7 words per minute. And my accuracy score was 97%. And I've got one more question to answer right down here. Did I meet the goal of 15 words per minute at 85% accuracy? Now keep in mind this is an end of the year goal that we want you to meet by the time we hit May at the end of the year. So I'm going to go ahead and click Not Yet. I'm still working towards meeting this goal. I'm going to submit my scores. And I am finished. I can go back to my testing results, scroll down just a little bit. If I'm on East Valley property, I can go ahead and print my results, or if I'm at home, I can print them as well. And that will complete your word per minute accuracy assessment test.